Welcome to the Boating Adventure Community Post number 6. Our next video is due to be released on Thursday the 15th of December at midnight. So if you're able to stay up late, it's only just over 3 minutes, but it's the premiere of our Christmas video. It will of course be available on the channel thereafter. So I say that goes out on Thursday the 15th of December at midnight. And then on Saturday this week, Saturday the 17th of December, Steve and I will be going to the Sawley Marina Waterside Winter Market, where we will have set up a gazebo and a video screen so that as many people as possible can come along and have a look at a channel promotional video, and also look at some of our Christmas videos and some of the general channel videos. And we hope to encourage as many people as possible to subscribe to the channel. And to all those who can show us their subscription, they will receive a channel pin badge. The promotional video will be available from 8 o'clock on the 17th of December, and that will be a new featured video for the channel. And that will be a premiere at 8 o'clock on the 17th of December. Whilst we're out and about at the Waterside Market, we hope to do some filming, and we would like to try and include some live footage. So have a look out for that. It'll either be on YouTube or on Facebook or on both. We'll see how we get on. From tomorrow, the 13th of December, I'm going to be out and about filming from Neyburn to Kingstaith Landing in the historic city of York at the side of the River Ouse. So if you see me out and about, come and say hi, show us your subscription, and you too can receive a channel pin badge. So we do hope that all this promotional activity will help to encourage as many people as possible to join our channel. So thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.